How to fix Instagram account has been temporarily locked. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So first of all I want to talk to you about why your account has been temporarily locked. So maybe they detected some suspicious activity like they say on your Instagram account, so they temporarily locked it as a security precaution. If you are using some third-party apps, then they will temporarily lock your Instagram account. Or if you try to log in into your account and you have entered the wrong password too many times. They also say that it's likely that your account was compromised as a result of entering your password on a website designed to look like Instagram. This attack is known as phishing. So if you got this message, you just have to hit continue and then fill the form that they have requested you. So I will show you what it looks like. So this is the one. You can go to this form by going to your web browser, and then you have to write on Google Instagram account disabled form, and then you have to hit the first option, but I will link this link in the description down below. So you here have to fill in your name, your email address, your Instagram username, and your mobile number. And then at the end, it's very important, you have to tell them why you think that your Instagram account has been disabled. So it can be either for that, like I said at the beginning, that third-party apps, or if you have logged in with the wrong password too many times and you have to write to them right there that you have uninstalled those third-party apps and that you want your Instagram account back. So they will reply to you in less than 24 hours. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.